Hey, na odi dwato abase menye ne dey biem sisi.
Oso pachew.
O pachew said den.
I say oba say be.
Ndi me fa boni njenza nkotua school fees biem. Is that what you are saying? No, I just want to know from Ghanaians what I have to do.
My main kind message, ask him about his take on the daughter's apology letter to him on Father's Day. Her name is Annel. Bakono. And obienso okay nti Annel de no. Nti yanhwe se betumi aka be before. Nti wo fan chano kra Annel de no.
No, she has a way to live.
Oba na jade but
him how many times I'm there channel. I have not come public. Him how many times I'm there channel. And you know one kasa who's why mistake. Now when she has her own life to live. I don't have a problem.
All right. Metra say me kan apology letter no about but my minister men kan messages be about Maria na yaba NPP primary say. As there's a perception that he don't seem to expose Reverend Obofo, Owusu Bempa, Agrada, who feel they are not men of God. Why has he decided not to expose them? It didn't mean son boy.
You see, what Obofo information bring it. Because ni asema mene mo kan nyina. Nkofo and a deal more with evidence. So who can Obofo ho asema bring it. Let me see. Me hwe ade bia wa ye anya bia I will not cover it. So what share Reverend Owusu Bempa? There have been about 4 pastors obia ba no wayi na firim. Baako Manasa na wasi kosa ne nase nwia e de ko tachiman. De koduru ho no malam no ka chem so sa osofu we e de enya dwuma. We too clean. Well, na e kan obi de minim.
Okay.
Anybody who information on ho a o de fabra. What I can say ni say nyina no one way or the other no to stolen cars. That I know.
Nipa mi asam bo den na.
Mpache say asofu young ones baby.
Okay.
Cars and then anya sika papa bi kese bi a start nyina no to stolen cars. That I know. They were all buying stolen cars from these boys. I know.
Very well. My waywardness has become the cause of your ridicule, which can tarnish your integrity and image. And I implore your forgiveness. I've made better choices now and will continue to. Please, Daddy, if one day you still find me worthy as your daughter, kindly have mercy on me and deliver me from myself. Annel to her father. Love always. Annel, happy Father's Day. Annel asem no.
So I can be.
So it is Annel ASHAWO Sabri through many platforms.
I say forgiveness no. Forgiveness in any day. You see, let people learn from their mistakes. Inti seneno ono awu. Ewi asesa ne yeko ene ya. She has a life to live. Edi ebie na nsem nye. But say bia na me yire kaso osi oko school no na me nko tua fees bi ntua. Me di betua girl no school fees. Me di be ko fa shawo ne o ace, menya ace. Go before say ace ni be kumi no, na menya satisfaction than this girl. I won't pay. Onu girl no mami. Ayo Annel no grandmother. And okosra no America. And ya agye nkwala no mami na ka America ho. And wo hwe ne ma. And ya deport no. Ya deport ni kunu so. So for the woman, me manka bibia ntia wo oba no. Me se me ba, I have right to say whatever she's done. Wouldn't say akola no say wagudu mami ani mas. Who the insults the woman has reigned on social media, everybody calling me na eneno akola no sa kasa me mfa de boni ncheni. Nti ni maame no wo hin. Ni maame no wo hin. What you said, make me a born history. Make me a born history. It's so disgusting.
Now, Papa, we didn't get one month about my mimic kakra. He said, "Be in a bit more the 2 for the Antoine in Nadia, who be Jimani Apacho. Sabia Mammy in the Honoma, our friend, Sabia Qua Japade. Won't me and twene me won
Mami
na
nka
say
sɛ
the person hye no de no kɔ no mfa no
America ne ahia law kura 18 years we mature.
no
18 years. We matured. And you know, na ni nua nketewa no try sɛ wo ne no bɛyɛ fine ne maame no yɛ sɛ obi ya block no. Ne maame no omu kɔ ɔno ka kyerɛ sɛ omu yɛ me wo prostitute wo me mansion mu wo New Jersey ho ne yi. Maame kan kyerɛ omu nyinam kɔ yɛ adwuma Wall Street. Hwɛ sɛ kɔ yɛ adwuma Wall Street a yɛtwa utiri nwi sɛ ɛne yakɔ test wo ne me ndra. Ya ha no ansi ya found Wall Street yɛbɛtwa utiri nwi ne yakɔ test. Sɛ wanum cocaine ana wanum weed by 1 year, it will show from Utrimi. I'm telling you today. And these girls are going to work at Wall Street. Who is that home drugs are? And they because they run series of tests to make sure say you don't do drugs.
I see.
But what man and runner omo catch him say, yes, one kasa and social media kasa. Nebani D21 on what children how to use drugs. Meaning, and run almost forever catch them. What kind of mother no you know? Now minimum yes I don't know it. Alla tenino on cotton drugs or how you know you deport to me. So I'm a children by extension. Now him 2 years ago, me bad girl back worry. And I made it trap ticket. A man the bar say o me pacho. Timidawa no pabayam 4 no be bomi pum me ko bi na yo no a oduru ha na obu kotodwe o kana se me mfa nche ne na msa ade anchi nturi ma no mo be 6 amo 6 kra no wasan ba e pacho and am so mi enwie gift wedding no ne ti ewie no Sunday e be kwasori e na oba so okọ na na obere no akọ cars ni nyina eko aso no on be start akọ after the church service in the train na omu ye ready so mu kwa na cars no ba akọ do ko no so ne maame aba be fa na msa no way no so gina asa na msa na na o mane ma inside ko from maame bra and o ko from maame now it looks as if say o hu mi fie ho na ne bufu ye o hu mi fie ho na ne bufu ye obetena ase you believe say now me can say me can hui but let me explain na me ti play mo ko China na me nya call from girl no say we jai school we him say me can what na play need to why when to me a mama explanation the rent alone $30,000 or downtown LA. In
50,000.
Yes. A children no konya Chinese roommate. On 2.5. Well, on a you know what it deemed you know, on 2 more than the Chinese, you know. Timitria $84,000 a year. Or called 3 years. Was in my high school. Enti me go through China no na me friend ni maame na say me wo play mu na Annel friend me say oyaye and wo ka chem say ono ankasa no why surgery they dey call recovery room and a girl no friend no say wo jay school no bi say an say wa no papa mane ana o si there no maame ne ka say onye party to it do no dey wo jay school asem we dey on tumi nka bi na girl no di natem di ni maame natem. So she forwarded all the messages. So I'm surprised. Mama no boom. Ebeka wenti. Oba mi fie ho no a ye kanam ka say Annel. We a very wicked girl because wo mama yare. Utimi wo ma asem o ka che mama no. Obisa answer we okay anono so say then you can take another shock. Yeyi maame no from surgery naba recovery room no or catch any maame so then you can take another shock. I've stopped school. Now ni memra maame ne kasa osuya anti ahorment me am friend biem. And am dey me je chiridi. Well, say what jai school I'm not going. To extent say, my roommate no rent crowd, no what Chinese no who said me ban or Madameka. Now say, what about the man? What evidence do you have? And ground or sending message with the matter.
Chinese,
Yeah. Say I have to pay the rent. Girl no so I mean communicate him. What evidence? And I'm aware just empower you school fees na kudi. What do you say? My no buy am na customer kan. Obi e na no asma o ka chem say ono a e na o kire ne so wonya sa e na waye sa na fe di abroso.
Annel ba me no.
Yeah. I was shocked. Obi e na no yes was can the same thing where he say me shi ano no e de na mde man. Abuofun wo ko ware ala tani na life we useless. O pese me na me fam sika me hwo. Wono na ne wo mienu no. Wono ntumi hwo. Me ane ma baako no. Me na me wabodam won. Wono cocaine no a wo hwe no ntumi say wakana no blue. And na the 3 year wabo blue. Me say oni mami araba ni. Wo do say wa hisa wo hunu hwe na ni na ko say we say
araba. Ne brother den kra
Mora.
Dawson Williams.
Yeah.
Or the message about TA. I say, dear Ken, or address. Please accept my apology as I feel contrite about my reaction to your utterances regarding our daughter.
Don't read.
For the sake of ASHAWO,
don't read
to the monitor. My daughter, I know my behavior was deprived of decorum, and I'm sorry. I feel awful and admit that. Irrespective of whatever my reasons were, I could have done better. Unfortunately, I cannot utter what I did, but I can assure you that it will never happen again.
How do you trust
accept my apology?
You trust because, but yeah, I deal with obey when I was even supporting her, say, "What me did do, mommy? Atem abra, ya surgery. How mean can you be? Makoyo, constable, na onu mum ateni. At that day, the woman so much I would have beaten the hell out of her. Madam Cram, and can make satisfaction. Here. And I'm so mwana okotena. Oh yeah, no sako obaya straight no call Joy FM. Or call Grantier. And I'm free kwa brasante bigo mu baby. Like I say BBNC oh. Nti mami misano. To bizano so Sunday morning say ni see. But me witnesses say me to myself. Honestly me number of me so say me bonasum. Ena so mu na ordinary ekoi. Nti ni awa yegu no ho anim ase awe because me come ba ho ase me wu history me boy me nkanjire obi a nti za obe counsel we nyina awia ana na de wanum cocaine bi
on the apology no de
ba emba je se ne ya okay wanum cocaine why say ibra no o dia say o me ye de fo obu trimu a no ye how do I accept share with him bibi maame no has been very ungrateful to Mary Stella senior wasi a hwe Annel pa 4 days ago na fifi oye adwuma fifi boafo wo se se maame na mekasa no onim se sa Annel nye madam ba ye yi ni free SOS me se me mane ma me fie o wo fie wo Madina Estate no mama bibi ko hwe no until say o sa better ni grace for SAT enya sa good school no. I hear the woman was insulting Stella. But you see, Bia said, Stella Bia said, I say, please, I don't want to hear. Mama can't answer. Mama can't answer. But Neba, I want me raise you over me and you together. On no Cornell. Abigail doesn't talk, but where I saw comments, hey, how can Annel's manner be so ungrateful to my mother? Right. What she has done for Annel. And then Kwalani in our block. So why this forgiveness? Me no. And Kwalana did you oma term somewhere ASHAWO near are you going to they don't want to hear. Oh they are sending me
honorable we no ye be the keje bi na ebia ye be ka bi wa chiro ya na ye nyina ye mofra ne bi ye nyina ye youth ntetu da bia na ye fom so aja mo nche
me maami amwa no mum enga normally nka papa ebu ofugura maami na obekwa ko ginam ama no ne yi because what in America pen you know how much $84,000 worthy. And how many people have $84,000? A woman account. I mean, every year, medical tier school fees, 3 years. You're talking about $250-something thousand. And the end, was say, was sacra, uncle ye juma. Or come to school, no no ye adwuma onhwe so betimi asebu $250,000 a year at 3 years. Then she will appreciate me the more.
Obinso the message about say Oma year 22 22 the omo dos obi maten na obo om dia no refi 22 ni be wi obey yadom.
Na na say mabobọ ni nyina wo ayida.
What about 22 ni na?
Enye na mbobọ wo TV CTFM CTTV whatever.
Uni ma branch be friend Kevin Taylor.
Minimum no personally there.
But and uni no a problem kakra shutdown of station bi ho asem.
Minimum
Obi the by say Kevin Taylor man say metume bie na makan a kire kakra
obi asani abrem say yes omu call off whatever minimum.
I say ask him of Kevin Taylor that he is the reason for the shutdown of his station.
Minimum
okay. Sports for answer the biaba. I say people say you don't like Ch0p. That is why you don't want to invest in football.
Who is Ch0p?
GFA president here.
Argentina, I don't like him.
I said Argentina. Waka say you don't want to invest in football. What the guy say?
No, me say Tio. Guy back on with your friends. Georgia Free. The 50th birthday or invite him and I'm calling. And I'm so. Or you'll be a manager or baby fee. Me that day, Kurano. When I say, we need me support me. MPP for friend. Man, to be can call 1 mark of age. A dear statement or could make in a way where NDC we say, I'm saying, me young chrono.
Okay. It
goes beyond politics. Inti, Obia only be reason. So we need make me a beboa, make it okreku minimum. What do I say? Minimum. So what I said was that me promise a free year so we need me boa Ghana football.
Okay.
What do you say? But when winning team because many nipano are winning minimum. But then what mean not share ideas? What do you say? You see, you need to gel.
You need to gel, okay.
You need to gel to take certain decisions, drastic decisions to move Ghana football. Obi a won in gel minimum no dawo. Me minimum no. Nti e be da na matano. But me say, guy na win it me support you because me meka masem na koye extreme yi na aka say bia on pre anaso obi ane ne jail no e na betimi aye. Nti how can they say I don't like what's Ch0p. I don't know him.
Okay.
It is not
watch him. I come ninja mu. Watch him. Come on. Yanko primaries kakra. I'm say yebre no aka 8 minutes bi pe. Yaba primaries no. Before time pa. What be say? Me say Friday na e kon do man force messages e dey buy. Enti na dey one madi ankenye. Abusu afana me ka say Friday nkomo no na yedi ne no. Enti ne say dey kwaro no but ye konti. Fortunately for you, obi a wadwuma den ne party hye enti obi a no anyina. But o campaign ma obi ti say Adrasafo ene Katie Hammond. I'm for person who didn't hear. Yes, I say, Munana Moko, I can see Munana MPP for. I don't know what time you notice.
Adrasafo. Many no mom, you know.
Okay.
Obaba, Kubema. All
right.
First, may I say, may neutral. Because me per speaker and in the banner 17. I just wanted to be neutral.
Okay.
And a speaker, a mistake. A frame. A tear for Mundi and you. Ofra me no de tu manim so o pese me boa ne ba no na otu Adrasafo on say yosri I'm say na speaker oba contest wa anye neutral obi am ne no ma me nu say Adwa is so responsible when it comes to nkwala ne say no kurani me onye me Ch0p money other kids are pay Ch0p money ni awa ne say school fees ne board ne. But the ma trick and yeah, just school fees or should have boom shim kakra cover and a man they just enjoy taking the money from you. Yes, or right. Enti Oba or no and Polano America. So mbedi so mbede jise holidays no ma banams me do Ch0p no ma say let me 12 fees near. Honestly yebi. Inti sa papa itimi frame say Mimi ko support to ne ba against Oba me ne wo mam yido. Na me ohuru manim kosoro. Me ohuru manim kosoro. Nti be wa nam call leader am say papa ipa me penasem o. Ayza nka me kan twi. Asem say na wa ka kire me o leader. no say oh ha na say yes in the other me say say na me yi manim na ma support adwoa because me ma me ne kan o say ade ene wo di empemfo say ade ofia oye inti say speaker who say ne ba no wini eye de a me so me ma no ma me wini a eye. That is why I supported her.
Okay.
Now she had called me several times say me buano anya so be lose. Anyway, to tell you that also or tricky me come up. And kwala pressure be on the man. Daddy, you have to support mommy. Daddy, you have to support mommy. So shoot. When you wash that.
O support to pa.
Wash that me man support to me come here but me no me a grassroots person. What people should take a cue from me. Confucius or say if a man saves your life, you are indebted to him for the rest of your life. So one kaisa de way, not delegates kotua bama wom. Now when now be in your position as minister, now your fro now unfa, they will punish you. We MP, now call for two abama, now your fro now unfa, they will punish you. Because you have to account for your leadership to them. And they will decide if they are satisfied with your leadership or not. But grassroots follow no because they've seen that I'm the only one across the country, Tamale, Wa, Boko, everywhere. They call me and I pick my phone. If you are making kem, Omuna who me trick, so who friend or Becky comes as we never try to be mount. So,
okay,
be only a persistent. If you are me, I speak to them nicely. So, inti, I'm a grassroots repamasem. Me call Adwa Hono, me share scene and say, that's the way they were winning. What's a share? And you want come mo. And you want come ma. Because almost started by 3 p.m. At the end, started 7. Ena, me no mkokasa. Honorable Katie Hamo.
And to bet me, I say, who to me influence the success
to her
address for
media. I don't know one and never consider with him how and then be lose or whatever.
Okay.
Or to her, the fools me coming there no, going there no, ebuan.
Well
Katie Hamo has also admitted, say me going there no. Now all odds were against Katie. And the problem I have is, to me is my friend, Katie is my friend. So what you say?
But me say, to me one be against Katie Ham on the basso.
Yeah, to me say Katie in respect no. So, Tina the both say obey too. And I make a chance say, when you look at his performance in Parliament and everything, it is not enough to say obe respect you into be too. Baby, I'm to me a differ no.
Okay.
But if you know or yeah man question openly telling everybody say or this can be true. I want to share my bufuna am say crash who this can Ch0p my friend who this can be true.
But I say obi
o wa enye sika but enipa no ne hodo. Me man first can call Katie.
Okay.
I just took one day to go around and campaign with them. And no na actually say it's not all about money. Into question now ka baby sir my answer. It's not about money.
Okay.
A relationship with people. Respect you are called to people. Honorable Alex Mark in frame say journalists be friend and say there was an argument omo call rounds no. Chairman no kofa nipa 20 say omo kotuma akwa na contest Katie no. According to the journalist was ati honorable Ken eyema party pa so abegina ka ne yentie ne atutia Katie party yenye obi anka yasem man. Osi chairman for nipa 20 and 12 eto market yam 8 and eto ma guy me na mni ho manko hobi ono no free Alex no ka chen say hey wo boss grassroots rom pena sempa wo na say ni say and na mo ka o dia say nti your relationship with your people and you ever say wo ko on the post your relationship with people and ever say we yempeno ye ko fa obi aba so although sika ekasa but sika no be kasa ma wa no so wa yensenchere ni wa ha am ye hu say we a party ba won so respect you won so nti e change we ya won so be ya de
yeah very well 1 hour 30 minutes. What about home wedding? But
they say,
there's one
I
other
said, come
important
me
thing.
check if you got to ban me check be bounce. Because I bought 10 minutes in front special.
Kafra. And the young for winter or
This is a fro mona.
young for winter or
do a answer.
and no crazy to the beer or support to some NDC members. Will be so me here and passing Miss I don't know.
I have friends in NDC.
And
Yeah.
you support them.
Yeah, I support them.
Oh, okay.
Why?
I see.
I won't mention names, but I support them, yes.
How? Support of Kwambenso.
Say be on the constituency. The watch oh honorable. Yak. I will say, why not?
I dear parties in Namoye and
Honestly, Ebimu need financial status not to submit, with all due respect to them.
Okay.
They might not be able to do it. Obi owa, on any baby ewo cordial relationship, NDC MPP. Obetimi abuano. I support them, some of them, why not?
But
That's a macronum.
Anyway, time no one push me say time also. But number 40 incumbent. On a boy who everyone saying Elusuno.
Say, O man fata kashi amfem and save bi kura nka bebrebe lusu mo. Why? Because and then let me take this opportunity the moment of time kakra.
Okay.
Go miti e unya advert kura che wo mo eba no. Wunim no kura wo me say. Party no ba power. So when you're minister, they don't help you.
Okay.
Most of them, Kakrabina, deputy
7.
minister, be near you.
Or maybe 7 ministers, yes.
Right.
Even a deputy, yeah.
Omualusu parliamentarians, either chairman of the committee or raw member, that's it. Jack, parliamentarian, Papa. I keep saying, say, look, a Juma for Ghana, ha, we assemblyman, MP.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
But
so when I see them fighting, I am Mama. So Obi a chief executive of a corporation. He's a final decision maker. But he wants to come and serve. Obaba be petty. Parliament. Is that what you want? Because unim say I know minister or and a bebre where a lawyer where say professional enti yania me no me not cover loan 5 million, 10 million, that whole 275 parliamentarians coming to approve 10 million, 20 million. No, sorry. Me cry business cry. Me cry $20 million. And me met me $20 million the Amagana. Na a fair 275 parliamentarians. We are many kum. We have it here. Me say me catch it over you over here. Me say me far. Me catch it back here. Monka brofo de me ko pe cash ya ba. Ya mo chire wo mu. And was a way a lesson to the party if we come back to power.
Okay.
I was able to be resource MPs. I have said it before. I was meeting and said, look, Sawumba MP contract a year 1 million cedis. Now what to mean in first 150, 200,000. So what do you find? And no constituency no. And most of them would have retained their seat. Me kai. I
see.
MP, Mikra, Mimi, are one of the highest paid parliamentarians. You know why? Because Mimi loan back up, a car loan. Most of my colleagues, Aji car loan, Aji other loans. Obi Hwa, last Obi Nisika no the coffee 167 Ghana cedis.
Oh,
yeah, because Waji loan.
167 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
200 Ghana cedis.
Yes. Now me no be say me highest paid. Me tia me 11,000. Me chop money back we 20,000. Me chop money a month 20,000. I answer 20,000. You know. And it say MP no na me ya. Say can buy go ma jam you.
A mother wife.
Oh yeah, me say now no chop money 20,000. Me you no me ya go ma jam. Oh wunim ti me mfari o. Me mfari. And got 20,000. Now you pay 11,000. Say can manage jam.
Yeah.
On the MPs no ho chiri they have to resource them. Say, me say, and Fesika and Shen in some say. What is insulting is that the ministers give contract to businessmen for the businessmen to give them handouts. No, the MP said will be 20,000 cities. What kind of bullshit is that? What kind of bullshit is that? That's what they've lost. They never helped them. Read my lips. I'm not afraid of anybody. They have to change that attitude. They never helped these MPs. They were begging like kids. Begging like kids. Could be size. So, oh yeah, MP, I am 7,000 was say I got an account to 20,000. 11,000. How many BBA? Obi akwatuna topa. Awo wanyem. Ti say we anyim. Hospital una utua. Owo utua. Adori utua. Utua nye kro say mednato. Mednato. Ni nyina from 7,000 mo. Obeden why. So when the demands are on them and they are not able to meet the demands of the constituents, no matter you're unpopular.
Okay.
Abdallah is a very good parliamentarian, well, legal and constitution. But guy no in the contest. We're chief executive of Cocoa Board, quality control. Wow. And son no more call Tafo Greek. Business is contract ko nyina obi ba ye dash no ye say no so dey call person opportunity no call constituency no check sewing machines no check. Abdallah doesn't have that. Bisa who say what did the party do to help him? Until last minute, Adiana say was here was one call on the post. There was going to be a resistance. And you penukure etia MPs now they don't help them. Ministers don't help them in any way. Don't expect President Akufo-Addo, after giving you a position, to tell you, say, Buaukolik minister so that we all come back. They don't help them. So don't be surprised. And those who were contesting them had time and money to influence the delegates.
Sika if influence delegate, democracy need the quality of people.
I also agree with the delegates because Otu Abama won 4 years. They are also right taking it. Me show me share delegates near Indino. Oma anyi miska. One oko. What do you say? But to me, family dear as a yastic and kase obi am perform. Because me de nyame adom am wadwuma ba ko mienu bi.
Ah wo yeka ho.
Ah me yeka ho. Ntimi am for to obi a se wa anyesa. Nti se ebetimi aye bibi enya quality MPs. Because who channel na unya experience more. What do you say? If we can do that, this is almost MPs no munya ministers no. Na there na businessman who the adwumane man no. Me ami ko gina wiram ho no. Aye campaign. Me de me huni no ahoma ne sem.
Honorable, more than 60 MPs and na mama call on oppose. There na mama ye stronkunti a ye mama call on oppose.
Ah bia o serve no constituency ni. What do you say? O serve no constituency ni ya. Omo ma ukra me contest na ukra hwe fom a who say no go area.
And they belong so hon my party mpanimfo no and they protect wo mo so e.
Well, eno sa no wo mo na o man protect wo mo anka o mo nyina be lose. Bebre enka be sa sister nka be nya 20 o be lose.
Wow.
Yeah. Kona delegates na mini won papa.
Japan sa mon ka delegate nka sa bo nche o mo yem.
Yeah, but you see, near SC so chira say yes a protective because you need experienced men on the floor of the house in terms of debate, bills, committee work, and all those things. New ones in the bar, no matter how sharp you are, if any ever chiro, more be school be. That is why I started class 1. So you need now one ever chiro. If all the experienced men are removed, who will teach the new ones? So it's necessary to keep some experienced men there. What do you say? And in your party, no, yeah, almost say sister, no, so aboa.
Okay.
Aboa. And yes, the mighty will fall.
I say about Parliament. Demanding can since 2000. I didn't show Krama.
Me, my got 2. When I can last one pamacho, this one's my pacho. This one imagine catch on plane. Now I've seen young men or other guys who have interest in there. They are all joining my campaign. Yeah, na me pese who say me menya politician a very successful businessman.
Okay.
But politics no essay me now that MPP is in power, I will tell you yes. Na me business me yebi. Contract wa mama am no ba be konto kwa wo. Now visa majimi
Boot for boot.
me yebi. NPP nya free power pe wom na akate. Na me akra manunti me nko obia office kra nko pedwuma. Then I live on the investment.
I see.
It is a adwuma me ba parliament na me ye adwuma dada na mo business. I say anka me call ya che kra because demands no
It's too much. 40 strong men are falling. And you MPP. What is the fate of MPP in this 2020 election?
Well, sir, constituency for nim mato abama so performance. Okay. But we need to work. We need to work.
As at now, NDC for you flag running mates vice. A advantage, ma'am.
And say nature say homework has grown no failure already. Need strategy via strategy. You see, running mates also influence a lot of voters. Inti say e wo June and no ka say andi no. When I go July, and I'll go. Maham on first can see. Now we need kakra on the pension because we will lose. But me my complacency, we are going to work. Now COVID-19 go akufo do hunu awie.
14% and I'm grading mo say mo ba ya dwuma ma ye no 14%.
Na
emo mo hu.
Empanfo bu baby wo se. Obi a on pewasa wasem no. Osua wasakura no achia ne pa. Nti you should expect that from opposition. The good thing is opposition have draw attention say this is the diabolic mind they have. Then you should also come out and let Ghanaians or voters know your performance. As simple as that. Yeah.
Then mo awse mo ya mo ye ya anhwe abetuma di mo nya awse party mpanifo ani ko ho na mo ye ntentem na etumi aboa mo.
Well, I have not thought of anything yet, but see CID I say omoni ko election no nkofu alusu no trying to bring everybody's supporters on board. Very, very necessary. Because there have been bitterness, all those things. I remember, I think, one be brief me, a Sikuma or Dobin Brakwa.
Yeah.
Say, almost the night before, heated the radios, we can. You know, as our supporters near peeved that, what we winning, they know the reconciliation should come in. But I always say, sir, you know, say, oh, yeah, politics. Now, Kugu Nyong Wenimasi to win. Now, we now person or me support to I am not adding. So, if you go too far, I mean, say, me did my tem go and you must see where they are. Oh, wow. Come in, Wakra, Mejawa, Mawawa, Yawadi. But in the name of the party, we have to go around and reconcile the people. And also, bet me high 40 people, their doors.
All right. Ebedasi, na yetwese
now, 40 out of 180. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. 40
out of
108.
Yeah.
We go here 168. It's 169. My many do me uniform.
Yeah.
I was so a jack on you. Take a 168. No more. Maintaining 60 on a post. 108 no move 40. That's very high. Almost 38%.
Wow. And as I know, Crampo can say I'm protected rank, but best answer for them. I could damn no. And Tibaco will protect you, man. I be who one Casanca sounds some way. I could damn for our canoe.
I also have constituency. We have constituency.
But you say, I am no positions now. The mammo, and Rashiba Jamsuka home, will be a minority that will be majority that will be a chief whip, will be a seat. Into a Jumana woman, Rashiba Jamsuka. And see, woman to me, Cranko constituency when you couldn't come on Koyama.
Well, you don't find excuse for anybody because parliamentarians now they do the same. We go committee. Committee, you know, comprises of 18 parliamentarians. Are you saying that me, I'm a chairman of local government? No extra job to do. It's not true. We all go there and deliberate on a bill or motion that has been passed on to the committee.
Sports force me say hampa. Person who the fate of Ghana football. Say the COVID-19 new president.
Almost sports for one person who the fate of a none will be say me Marco. Almost say black people are stupid for supporting European. That is not what I said. See, I'm also a cancer mamun tie na mun kochia nipa no. Headline bam. Can the Japan says black people are stupid. Black Africans are stupid for supporting European. Me say Moi kasa sports for senka from ba sports for no moi kasa mo betimi a promote Ghana football but opa ma Liverpool ni Chelsea emmo na hwe de da mo beye wa kotoko ne house bokura wonte ene abusua drafts ni yi grad ene abuobo 11 wise then nature nothing you don't hear anything so what do you expect because now everything is about media inti samuno a Mubetimi aka asem about Ghana sports monye. Ebi mu shishe Barca t-shirt, ebi mu shishe Liverpool, obi shishe Man U, obi shishe Ronaldo no yi everything back. There back no Real Madrid. Ghana for afa teams ni nyina sports for o match. Bisa o say Ghana teams be no support. Yeah, so you are also not helping Ghana soccer. It's not me. And of course, also Ghana soccer no eje mewu nko oba coffee din so I'm gonna be a daho come on please. I ain't got no time to watch that. I ain't got no time. What you say? En training we e ko training mu nya hwe ni ade media mini adaje kura.
Wo hwe Ghana football.
Me hwe. Na wo mu kura de no me hwe. Apart from Chelsea, no, I don't say time say because now here because Asian any dropper.
Yeah.
Now piece Akwan offer Ocean 11 players, so to me first 6 blacks. So I was just supporting with black and unique. If you were Asian, if you were
on the lighter note, very funny, but Ebrim say what they drew. Do see can one seminar why would me expose a man for can boss was sent for
my dear Drew.
That's what bring.
My being because we cannot create. That's it.
Yeah.
David, no credit.
Okay.
And the truth is mightier than the soul.
Okay.
You know, crank one of the human. That's it.
Honorable Bedasi.
But
signal me and say, Edmure and so here. And so betty na.
Okay.
Edmure,
Domingo himself. Okay.
We just say, one nation, 1 or 2 occasions, we were done for.
Okay.
And I'm watching. I was now
nice guys, but your mamma be too young.
Oh, T. W. No, I'm quite a train. I'm theologian. Theologian, I can say, Yane Openia, Nema 22, Ghana. Mama 22. Philanthropist.
22.
Philanthropist.
Now will be pemi what is wrong. Who in Bible? Bible mu Solomon na yire mu ne prophet.
Okay, the okabu my apem there.
David na yire mu yeze.
Hey, honorable. But see
the 12 tribes of Israel. A man do saying you didn't form the 12 tribes of Israel. Me catch a home Abraham ya who can na yire mu yeze. And I ma onu mu yeze. You see, there's nowhere in the Bible it talks about polygamy. My challenge you, go to Christ. The New Testament all can say a pamphlet from here. What's this senka ubetimia?
Right.
And you want him say yentimi. Amunti ayom.
Adwamambon na say betumia. Adwamambon na say betumia. Say yentumi so obi anya ne de ba kon. Anansa sanete.
Obi anya ne de ba kon. Yes. What's this ubetimia? Adam, you see, that is why you have to go to school of theology and learn all this. So woman siana uko kind of facial ipa uba na okay.
Okay. So no don't mean.
Na ma 22 the American between. Now, baby I drink. Me will tell them, but maybe head ready. Young ones in my appetite too. Because you call ye Juma no bra.
I know what you're saying.
Oh, me Chem says, me say, whether you like it or not. Emra, Nano Niam Kotu Yane them. Emra Kinsey Hono. David Yaka say, I want dinner, young Kofa, Obiberman heat. None of you 9. I didn't think I need 9. Young Cassa Bakuman heat. Name mum yes on Kofa virgin. No, me David, I'm only telling you. Oh, dear, say. And you see, and yes, I won't pay with you. But oh, what you become like a brother, a sister, everything. So, mube din komo mube bibia muto wabos obi esono.
Afuno. Na honorable yet regions the time na so we dey as nevertheless to avoid fornication. 1 Corinthians 7:2 no. I said to avoid fornication, let every man have his own wife. And let every woman have her own husband. 1.
Or say to avoid
fornication.
To avoid fornication. It means to me
fornication. No.
Yes.
Worry.
Or say, to avoid fornication. It means to me nyai fornication in no say and kebe na ubetimi avoid the fornication dia worry obaba ko. And also to me. Now make you remember no muna kaso na tio o yire wan wie ukọ abontene ba 1 minute ni rafi otio ope comfort esa pese o sa tipi na man pie ankoye adwuma sika beba and why comfort ukọ no wa mantem obo muna sa obi a ni onu nkuntokwar bo se waye di ubo so ho yira wo hu ne waye
honorable sisi when you 22 o person obanyi ba kun bi pension baby
mabre enka minyonku skani bi ka jo se okay pension baby so aboa wo wonim ye di jokuru guess we o mo me mayi o mo wa ware nyina en amu wi a mo ko na ka no yirim kwa na mo hwefie nti wo ankola ha koku kofa we brem wo ya will na ono nkwa no man 15% because so no dey ahwe no why not
22 no one penny na one atwato
22 American
West former
American na ye penny kitwa pa ye boy okumasi
e fe ko nka wo body ni man e bia na wan kai na hadwen no
me kai me baby edini me pa obi asem chebi
ande na nka ho be ma wo bobo na mhwe
me
e se me challenge wo but oh me be na me
si tieri e be cheo ya go with them contributi
officer for oba ya che enti e be jan ha no me did na no so nkruma ya me aduma o china ye be sanso atoa so